Welcome to Troopers Travels. We're in Rotherham, my town, where I live. We're at Centenary Way, Riverside Walk. And it's actually an old steelworks. I'll just spin it round and let you have a look. So let's have a look round. That's the River Don. And this used to be an old steelworks apparently. So we'll just spin it round there and carry on going. Have a look round. I don't know if you can hear me, I've got a new mic, so see how we go with this. So that's your River Don. And this has got some significance, this store to it. So it's an elephant. Okay. So it's Centenary Riverside walk this. So you're looking over Centenary Riverside. It's a peaceful lagoon and meadows. It used to be, well, it actually used to be a steel and peach and Tozer steelworks, famous for Seven Sisters chimneys, which I'll show you on there, but I'll show you a bigger one on there. And in 150 years ago, the saying here was called Bromley Sands, a place where cattle were grazed and people of Rotherham came to bathe and enjoy the riverside, which is River Don down there. Fancy swimming in it now. Man, it's a lot cleaner than it used to be when we were kids. We did swim in it, I'll be honest with you. But this site were actually the steel peach and Tozer, which were the Rotherham steelworks. During its First World War, there was a shortage of horses and they made it difficult to haul heavy steel loads into such factories as the Seven Sisters. To solve this problem, Thomas Ward, a local businessman, enlisted the help of Lizzie, the ex-circus elephant. So hence this here. The famous Bailey Bridges, portable bridges sections used in the military were also built in this site. In 2005, a Bailey Bridge was installed among 5 Ways Walk. That's in Sheffield, in recognition of the link to the region. Right, we'll have a look round, but that's the actual river. But I'll show you that anyway. The actual picture of that firm up here. A few volunteers down there as well. You can see volunteers, so they're always wanting volunteers. So anybody's got time on their hands, obviously I haven't. Get you sent forward. I'll try and put a link on for you, but this is what we're looking at now. So that's some type of habitat for wildlife. I think that they're doing a pond or something up there. And I'll just wander down here, and this is the steel enge or iron enge. It's Rotherham's answer to the stone enge, I suppose. We'll have a look anyway. Very nice, isn't it? Let's just zoom in on that if I can. It's not letting me zoom, I don't know why. So this is the steel ends. This were made for steel, what were found here. Quite impressive, isn't it? It's a freebie and all. And probably a lot of people don't know it's here. Very peaceful. We'll have a wander around on this path anyway, but we'll come back to this in a second. Have a quick look. That's Boulders over there, scrapyard. And in the distance is Old Millmore ground, which I've done a video about that previously. But we'll carry on shortly and have a look round what we can find. bunch of volunteers going. It may be a school that's something what's helping them, or a college. But that's your building scrapyard, and over there, I don't know if you can see that. For some unknown reason it's not zooming like it should do, but that is the old Millmore ground. Right, we'll have a look up here. That's where they've been working, so I should imagine this is some type of pond for habitat, like frogs and things. Been here quite a while, to be fair. I don't know what they were doing, but they've been doing things in here. I think it's a pond, or it's some type of, looks like a pond. Let's have a look. It's a pond. So what they've got in here, they've been putting things in, I think. You see all that? Can't see anything. Oh, there's some skaters on there, on pond. I can see skaters on top of the pond, but I can't see any tadpoles or anything. Some lilies they've put on there. And that's your Minster Church in that steeple you can see. I don't know why it's not zooming in. It's the pocket, my new pocket too I've got. But I'm going to have a nosy around anyway. It's a freebie anyway, this, like I say, you just have a wander around. It's not going to cost you an out. It's probably worth just a visit, to have a look round. With kids, if you've got kids to bring, have a picnic. A couple of seats up there as well, old benches. Some old bluebells there still. Like I say, it's always a freebie with me when I can get freebies, isn't it? Like, I mean, I'm from Rotherham, as you probably know. I'm raw marshes in Rotherham. It's not that bad a town really. It's got a rough press recently with a lot of stuff, but some of it's lovely, to be fair. Things like this, there'll always be somebody knocking it, but like I say, this is just like a little bit out of way. It's just back at Toyota garage at top side of Centenary way, which runs past the new football ground on the left, and it's to your right. But I'll show you a little bit more, and there's some walks down here as well, so we'll have a look down there. To the other side of the pond, and there's some walkway down here. I don't know if you see that. We'll have a wander down, see what else we can find around here, then we'll come back up to Steel Enge, or is it Iron Enge? I'm not sure. Steel Enge, I think. I hope this mic's working. So we'll have a wander around here. There's nobody about now. It's very, and its sun's gone in again. We get a bit of cloud now. It was lovely when it come out. And as we speak, it's raining. Never mind. I don't know what these are. These must have been part of something what were here previously. Some butterflies. And a walkway. So this is a freebie in Rotherham. And we'll have a wander around here, see what's around this bit. Ooh, wild garlic, can smell wild garlic. Yeah. Very strong. Some mallards. Excuse me. Did say it were going to rain, didn't it? Typical. But we'll have a wander around anyway. Let's just see what we can find. Bit at Don here, River Don. Not looking right great, is it? But obviously when lower down floods, this will get it. So it's like a floodplain a little bit, to be fair. But at the moment there's no water on it, is there? Not far away from here, they found, I think it was Temple, but they found some parts of a Roman villa, which is Clifton Park. I'm going to try and get up there today if I can, and show you what were recovered. But as you can see, it's not bad, is it? Nice just to get away from it all when you're not working, just to have a bit of a chill out. Please do not dig. We're not going to dig away. But plenty to see, isn't there? Well, if you're into nature. I just thought I'd do something different for you, to show you little bits and bobs of them. We'll try and get Clifton Park done today, possibly, but it all depends. And that was the original bridge what we're coming to. What used to go into actual steel works. And that's your bridge. Which I think we walked across when we came in. The town centre that way, and we'll have another quick look at this iron enge or steel enge, whatever they call it. And if you go along bottom way, that'll take you that way. You can see back up to them steps. We'll have another quick look at this while we're here, and then we'll move on somewhere else. It's only a quick one, this bit anyway, but thought it'd be worth a while just to have a look at it. Probably a lot of people in Rome don't know it's here. Things like this don't get publicised enough, do they? I don't know if you can hear me, it is windy. I've got my windproof camera, my microphone on anyway. But this is the iron enge. Might be alright to get my drone up here next time I come this way. Get my drone above it. That's the big thing, whatever it is. The centrepiece. Well, they've definitely got weather forecast right, haven't they? So that's your steel enge. Yeah. Centenary Riverside walk. It's basically it's for habitat for birds, butterflies and things, but as you can see, it's there. Right, we'll move on and see what else we can find for you.